This is the warehouse and pickup creation page in the Delnet portal. First, enter the warehouse name. The warehouse code is generated automatically when you save. Then enter the remaining fields. The mobile number and telephone number are mandatory. After entering all the fields, you will see a checkbox. If you want to create a warehouse for delivery, you must check this box. Then, click the Save button. As you can see, the warehouse has been saved, and you will see a message stating that a new client has been created in Delivery HQ because you checked the box. You only need to check the box for delivery. You can click the Edit button in the table row if you want to update it. After clicking it, the data for that warehouse will be filled in the input fields. You can then make the necessary changes and update it by clicking the Update button. Remember, this will not work for delivery because updates will only be made in the Delnet portal, not on the delivery portal. Warehouse can only be added to the delivery portal, not updated. Here is a message confirming that it has been updated.
When you click the Excel button, you can download the Excel file.
Here is your Excel file containing all your warehouse. Just remember two things. First, the telephone and mobile numbers are mandatory, and second, when creating a warehouse for delivery, make sure to check the